Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the skin1004 Madagascar Centella hyalu-cica blue serum. This product retails for $25. This is also the first skin1004 review I am filming since they have joined Ulta. I usually get my Korean skincare from Yes Style or a verified Korean website that I have linked in the description. This is one of the best selling serums from skin1004 and I'm super excited to try it because from what I've seen people talking about, it is amazing for skin hydration in a really lightweight way. It is colder outside when I'm trying this, so I am excited for the hydrating aspect, but usually I go for more heavier serums, so I'm interested to see how this feels and how it performs. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The main things I'll be looking for with it include, does it break me out or cause any acne? What does it do for my skin because it claims to have hydrating and soothing properties? And also, what finish does it leave on my skin? As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this serum. I know from a lot of other skin1004 products, specifically with the blue packaging, they seem to coordinate some of their packaging with the feels and textures of products and also who they are intended for. This reminds me of their hyalu-cica sun serum that was more lightweight. It definitely was a little bit dewy, but left a light finish. I'm curious to see that. This also claims to be a soothing and also hydrating serum, and my skin is really needing that right now because it is in the middle of winter when I'm filming this. So it feels really watery and extremely lightweight. Oh my gosh. That is extremely lightweight. It almost feels like water going on the skin. I definitely feel like this is more intended for oily to combination skin, at least off of first feeling, but what I will be interested to see is if it shows more results long term. Oh wow, it feels kind of similar to their hyalu-cica sun serum, feel-wise. Does it have fragrance in it? Okay, I actually have the ingredients pulled up right here because I was curious if this had fragrance in it. This has fruit extracts in it is what it's looking like. It has a nice melon-like smell to it. It smells very refreshing. This is an extremely refreshing serum. And it does leave a nice light dewy finish, but nothing suffocating, nothing too greasy. It just feels nice. Light, kind of refreshing. I definitely feel like it's going to be a more internally hydrating product, but it may show longer results over time, so I will just be curious about that. Overall, it feels really nice. I'm definitely gonna have to layer this in the winter, I feel like, but I will see what results I notice more long term, and also what results I notice with soothing. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this serum. Overall, I feel like this was a really hydrating and almost not even there serum finish wise, but it delivered an internal level of hydration that was really impressive, and I feel like this would be a dream for oily skin. Ultimately, it was the perfect base layer hydration for me, at least in the winter. When it turns summer, I feel like I'm going to really love this product. It's obviously not as lightweight as the skin1004 ampule that I've tried before, that is mostly a concentration of Centella as the highlight ingredient. This is a little bit more of a complex, but I feel like it's the perfect hydration step for oily skin. I get more oily in the summer, and that's why I feel like I would enjoy it more then, because right now it didn't do as much as I'm looking for in a hydration serum. Any skin type could use it. I feel like oily skin is just the type that will benefit the most from this product. It's hard to find a lightweight finish to a serum that will provide this level of nourishment that this did, and that's why I feel like it's best for oily skin. However, any skin type could use it. I would just recommend if you are more dry, it may be best to go in with other skin treatments to follow this, but I feel like there are better hydration serums on the market for dry skin. This had a beautiful texture though. It gave an instant glow to the skin that absorbed practically immediately, but like I said, gave that internal hydration that I feel like oily skin really needs to balance your skin type. I can appreciate when a product is really designed for oily skin, and that's what I feel like this product is best. I will revisit this during the summer to see how my skin reacts to it then. Right now, I like going for a little bit richer of a hydration serum. Their Probiotica serum has been working great for me in the winter, and that one I feel like is more for dry skin. This one is definitely the other side of that and making it the perfect skin treatment for oily skin, and that's why I would recommend it. I love the ingredients. It didn't cause anything negative with my skin. They have a great complex in this, which is no different from most of the skin1004 products I have tried, and that's why specifically oily skin, I feel like you are going to absolutely love this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.